Welcome to the Paubox News Roundup for the latest HIPAA, security, and healthcare marketing news. This week, we'll discuss the absolutely massive MCNA data breach, the also massive Apria healthcare data breach, and Google's broken promise to delete sensitive location around abortion clinics and addiction treatment centers. Managed Care of North America and their partner MCNA Dental experienced a shockingly large data breach that occurred between February 26 and March 7th of 2023. In the notification to the Attorney General, MCNA said that up to 8,923,662 individuals were affected. Let's let that sink in for a moment. Personal information like social security and driver's license numbers were stolen alongside personal health information. Lockbit, a ransomware group, took responsibility for the attack and threatened to publish all materials if a $10 million ransom wasn't paid. The stolen materials were published on Lockbit's leak site on April 7th. In similar news, Apria Healthcare, a provider of home medical equipment, has recently reported a significant data breach affecting up to 1.8 million individuals. The breach exposed sensitive patient data, including personal, medical, health insurance, and financial information. Apria stated that the breach was primarily aimed at obtaining funds from the company rather than stealing patient data. However, the possibility of data theft could not be ruled out. Apria discovered the unauthorized access to its systems in September 2021. It remains unclear why it took 20 months from the discovery of the intrusion for breach notification letters to be issued. A group of 10 U.S. senators led by Amy Klobuchar, Elizabeth Warren, and Mazie Hirono have penned a letter to Google seeking answers about its location data privacy practices. This comes after reports that Google has not been consistently deleting this data as promised. The locations included counseling centers, domestic violence shelters, abortion clinics, fertility centers, and addiction treatment facilities. Google's commitment to delete location history when users visit certain facilities was seen as a positive step towards protecting user privacy. In their letter to Google, the senators expressed concern that Google is not upholding its commitment to delete sensitive location data, particularly when it can reveal private healthcare decisions. The senators have given Google until the end of the week to respond. They have also implied that Google's conduct could be grounds for an investigation by the Federal Trade Commission, which is authorized to police unfair and deceptive business practices. On a lighter note, what do you call an aquatic mammal that won't share your protected health information? Obviously, a hippopotamus. That's all for this week. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay informed on the latest healthcare news. Until next time, cheers.